Begin by crocheting a row of single crochets. Chain 5. This is where our inverted Y stitch demonstration begins. Yarn over twice. Then insert your hook into the third stitch. Yarn over and pull through the stitch. Yarn over again and pull through the first 2 loops. You now have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over once more. Skip 1 stitch, and insert your hook into the next stitch. Yarn over and pull through. You now have 5 loops on your hook. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops. Yarn over and pull through 2 loops again. Continue yarning over and pulling through 2 loops until you have only 1 loop left on your hook. Chain 2. Now, let's do this one more time. I'll demonstrate the inverted Y stitch again in the next set of stitches.